Hi, for Uber? Hi, how are you? For Uber?
Yeah.
Hey, what's the name?
Dude, I don't even know, bro. Like,
Oh, can you say my name for the Uber?
When we were born, like, we didn't, like, the universe doesn't give us names, you know? We're all one. We're all connected, bro.
Okay, so can you say my name for the Uber?
Your reality, you have a name to label this body, physical body, but dude.
Okay, well, we're doing
body,
Uber now. We're in a real world. So can you say your name? What's your name?
I don't even know I haven't thought about my name all day, dude.
Okay, well, I need to confirm you're the right passenger. So
See, someone called this ride for me, my buddy, because we got a little too, you know.
Okay, well, what's his name? What's his name?
Stoned, you know.
What's his name? I need to make sure I have the right.
Dude, I've been thinking about the world so differently today. Like, just how we're all connected. I've been seeing, like, auras and, like,
Oh my God,
we're
dude.
all made of vibrations, dude. I'm not really feeling you got, like, a gray vibration going on.
I'm your Uber driver. I'm trying to take you.
My vibe is, like, gold right now.
I'm trying to take you to In-N-Out. What's your name, dude? It's not that difficult. You're trying to go to In-N-Out? Yeah,
dude, you just take me to In-N-Out. I'm really feeling like, did you know they have a secret menu? They have 4-stack of burgers.
Okay, well, can you say the name or say my name at least? What's my name?
Dude, I had to pull out my phone. No, I have to text my buddy because I don't know, dude. Let me call him. I forgot my buddy's name.
Oh my God, dude.
I'm so stoned. Nobody has a name. All I see is the universe. And
just get out. Just get out. I'm not taking you. I'm not taking you.
Dude.
Get out of my car.
I'll find my way. It's cool,
all right, you can get out.
You know, dude, in life, dude, you just gotta
just get out, okay? I don't get paid. I don't get paid
this
for this.
This is tripping me out, bro. Like, dude, I'm on such a good wave right now, and you're just like on a bad wave, and our waves are just.
Well,
like,
you can walk. You can walk on the wave on your to In-N-Out. So can you get out?
The universe will guide me to In-N-Out, bro. I swear.
All right, can you just get out, please?
Yeah,
we're done. We're done.
Get out. Oh, I didn't fart. That was the seat.